Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Chat, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Lisa.
Hello, Lisa. Hello to all our lovely listeners. I'm Mark, and I'm very happy to be here with you today.
Mark, you look so cozy today.
Yes, Lisa, because today's topic is perfect for this cold weather.
That's right. Today we will practice talking about traveling in winter.
Yes, simple English conversation for beginners.
These are easy sentences you can use when talking about winter trips, snow, cold weather, and travel plans.
Perfect for beginners who love to travel or just want to chat about it with friends.
Don't worry, we will speak slowly and clearly.
And we will repeat sentences and give real, simple examples.
Let's begin today's lesson.
Do you like traveling in winter?
Yes, I love it. Winter travel is so special.
Me too. Everything looks beautiful with snow.
Yes, white snow everywhere.
Where do you want to go in winter?
I want to go to the mountains.
Same. Snowy mountains are amazing.
I want to see snow for the first time.
You will love it.
What do you pack for winter travel? Warm clothes first.
Jacket, sweater, scarf.
Gloves and hat.
Thick socks.
Boots for snow.
Yes, good shoes.
Also sunglasses.
For snow glare.
Yes. Do you take a big bag?
Yes, but not too heavy.
Light packing is better.
Yes.
How do you travel in winter?
By train or bus.
Train is cozy.
Yes, hot tea inside.
I like plane.
Fast.
But airport is cold.
True.
What places are good for winter?
Switzerland for snow.
Canada for ice skating.
Japan for hot springs.
Kashmir in India.
Beautiful.
What activities do you do in winter?
Skiing.
I want to try skiing.
It's fun, but difficult.
Snowboarding?
Also fun.
Make snowmen.
Yes, with kids.
Snow fight.
Yes.
Build igloo.
Cold, but fun.
Drink hot chocolate.
With marshmallows.
Best in winter.
Sit by fire.
With blanket.
Perfect.
Winter problems?
Cold wind.
Slippery roads.
Delayed flights.
Pack extra.
Yes.
Now let's practice sentences.
Repeat after me. I love traveling in winter.
I love traveling in winter.
Again.
I love traveling in winter.
My favorite winter place is...
My favorite winter place is the mountains.
I want to see snow.
I want to see snow.
I will pack warm clothes.
I will pack warm clothes.
I like skiing.
I like skiing.
Hot chocolate is the best.
Hot chocolate is the best.
Winter travel is magical.
Winter travel is magical.
Role play. Friend talk.
Hi, do you like winter travel?
Yes, very much.
Where do you go?
To snowy hills.
Me too.
What do you do there?
Make snowmen and drink hot tea.
Sounds fun.
Want to go together?
Yes.
Great, then let's keep going.
Okay, next rule. Drink water first thing in the morning.
Yes, 1 big glass of water.
It wakes up your body.
It cleans your system.
Very important.
Rule number 3. Move your body every day.
Even 10 minutes walk.
Or stretching.
No need for gym.
Just move.
It makes you feel strong.
And happy.
Rule number 4. Eat real food.
Fruits, vegetables, nuts.
Less sugar and junk.
Your body will thank you.
Rule number 5. Be grateful every day.
Think of 3 good things.
Family.
Life becomes better.
Now, let's practice sentences.
Repeat after me. Wake up early.
Wake up early.
Again.
Wake up early.
Drink water first.
Drink water first.
Move your body.
Move your body.
Eat real food.
Eat real food.
Be grateful.
Be grateful.
Learn something new.
Learn something new.
Be kind.
Be kind.
Spend time with loved ones.
Spend time with loved ones.
Sleep well.
Sleep well.
Plan your day.
Plan your day.
Good.
Role play. Talking with friend.
What is your rule for life?
Wake up early.
Good one.
Yours?
Be kind.
Nice.
Another role play. Family.
Mom, I will drink water first.
Good habit.
Thank you.
Viewer practice.
Say one rule.
Example. Move your body.
Your turn.
Challenge.
Choose one rule from today.
Follow it this week.
Write in comments which one.
We will read.
Thank you for watching.
Follow these rules.
Life will be better.
God bless you.
Before we go, one small request from our side.
If you enjoyed this episode on 10 simple rules for life, please click the like button right now. It really helps us a lot.
And if you want more easy and fun English conversations every week, please subscribe to Daily English Chat and turn on the bell notification. Don't forget to share this video with a friend who wants to live a better life. You can follow the rules together.
Thank you so much for being with us today. Keep practicing, keep following good rules.
We'll see you in the next episode. Take care.
Bye-bye.